Friends, just think for a moment. When we were young, how light and energetic our legs used to feel. Waking up in the morning, running around all day without getting tired, climbing stairs as if they were just 2 small steps, and still having energy left in the evening. But after the age of 60, suddenly everything begins to change. Waking up in the morning with heavy legs, pain after standing for a short while, and by evening it feels as if bricks are tied to your feet. This isn't just fatigue, it's your body signaling that something deeper is going wrong. Now the big question is this only the natural effect of aging? Or are we making small daily mistakes that block blood flow in the legs, clog the veins, and make our legs older than they really are? Because the truth is, heaviness in the legs after 60 is not a minor issue. It can be the very first sign of serious heart, vein, and bone-related problems. And here's the shocking part. 8 out of 10 people make 5 major mistakes every single day that slowly increase the burden on their legs. So today's video is not just information. It's a mirror to reveal the real age of your legs. And if you recognize these mistakes right now, your walking, your energy, and your life can completely transform. Mistake number 1, sitting or standing for long hours. Friends, if you're over 60, think about your typical day. You wake up and sit with the newspaper. After breakfast, you sit on the sofa watching TV. After lunch, you rest for a while. In the evening, chatting with friends or family, again sitting in a chair. And sometimes you stand for long during prayers or certain tasks. It sounds normal, doesn't it? But this is one of the biggest threats to your health. Because sitting or standing in one position for too long is like poison for your veins and muscles. How does blood flow get blocked? Our veins, especially in the legs, work hard to return blood back to the heart. When we walk or move, leg muscles act like a pump and push the blood upward. But when we sit or stand still for hours, this pump shuts down. Result, blood begins to pool in the legs. Slowly, pressure builds on the veins, swelling develops, and the legs start feeling heavy, sometimes as if they're filled with lead. Why is it worse after 60? After the age of 60, our veins are no longer as strong or elastic. Their flexibility reduces, and the small valves inside them loosen. These valves act like tiny doors that prevent blood from flowing back down. But with age, these valves start leaking. So if you sit or stand for long periods, blood circulation slows even further. The result: swollen legs, pain, and fast-progressing varicose veins. What once looked like simple tiredness can soon turn into a serious medical condition. What does research say? A study in the US found that people who sit motionless for 8 to 10 hours a day have double the risk of blood clots, thrombosis. And if these clots travel from the leg veins to the lungs or heart, they can cause life-threatening conditions like pulmonary embolism or a heart attack. So sitting still isn't just a bad habit, it can literally pull the strings of your life. A real-life example. Take Mr. Sharma, 65 years old. After retirement, most of his time went into reading newspapers and watching TV. He believed that after years of work, now rest was the real joy of life. But slowly his legs began swelling and feeling heavy. At first he ignored it as an effect of aging. But when pain at night and swollen ankles in the morning became routine, the doctor told him, "This is the beginning of deep vein thrombosis. If ignored, it can become life-threatening." The effect isn't only on legs. Sitting too long puts extra pressure on the spine and lower back. Standing too long weakens knees and ankle joints. But the most dangerous part, blood and oxygen flow to the heart and brain, also slows down. This mistake doesn't just harm your legs, it harms your whole body. So what's the solution? 1. Move every 30-40 minutes. Whether you're watching TV or scrolling on your phone, stand up every half an hour and walk for just 2 to 3 minutes. 2. Do light stretching. If standing for long, bend and stretch your legs, rotate your ankles. These tiny moves boost circulation. 3. Change your sitting posture. Sometimes sit with legs stretched, sometimes stand up. Avoid crossing one leg over the other. It puts extra pressure on veins. 4. Make walking a habit. A 20-30-minute daily walk is the best medicine for your legs. 5. Stay careful during long journeys. On buses, trains, or flights, walk when possible, or at least keep moving your feet. Travel hours are when blood clots are most likely to form. Remember this: sitting and standing both are important. The danger comes only when we stay frozen in one position too long. Breaking this habit isn't difficult. It just needs awareness and small movements. Correcting this one mistake can cut your leg heaviness almost in half, because your body gets its true strength only when your blood flows without obstruction. Deeper truth about heaviness in the legs. When we say sitting or standing too long makes the legs heavy, it's not just a simple phrase. It's about blood circulation, vein health, and muscle activity. Blood flow gravity. The heart pumps blood downwards easily, but bringing blood back up from the legs is tough. This needs movement and muscle pumps. When standing too long, gravity makes blood pool in the legs. Heaviness, swelling, pain. 2. Inactive muscles. Leg muscles act like pumps. No movement. Pump switched off if frozen heaviness and fatigue. 3. Varicose veins. Constant pressure weakens vein valves. Blood accumulates. Veins swell. Burning, cramps, and heaviness. 4. Lymphatic fluid stagnation. Not just blood, but lymph flow also gets blocked. Swelling and heaviness. 5. Age, lifestyle after 40-60, weaker veins plus obesity. Plus long desk jobs make it worse. Even young adults in their 30s-40s today suffer due to sedentary lifestyles. 6. Hidden danger. This leads to deep vein thrombosis, DVT. A blood clot can break loose, reach lungs, heart, life-threatening. So leg heaviness is not a small symptom. It's an alarm saying, stop, change your habits now. Solutions in simple steps. 500 words practical guide. Move every 30 minutes. Walk for 2 to 3 minutes. Try the foot pump exercise. Press your toes like a car accelerator. Elevate your legs above heart level for 10-15 minutes daily. Use compression socks if you stand for long hours. Walk 20-30 minutes daily. Stay hydrated. Avoid too much salt. Control weight. Extra weight minus extra leg pressure. While sleeping, raise your legs slightly for comfort. So friends, now you understand, heaviness in the legs is not a small problem. Especially after 60, it's your body's health signal. If we keep repeating the same 5 mistakes, leg pain, swelling, and fatigue will become part of life. But if we make small corrections today, walking, working, and even playing with grandkids can be as easy as it once was. Now think, do you want your steps to stagger tomorrow? Or do you want to walk forward with strength and confidence in the years to come? The choice is in your hands. If this video helped you, please like it, share it with friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health insights, because your one click can change someone else's life.